Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the Generation Google Scholarship Program. So the applications are now open for the Asia Pacific location. So this Generation Google Scholarship for Women in Computer Science was established to help students pursuing computer science degrees excel in technology and become leaders in the field. Selected students will receive a $2,500 USD for the academic year 24-25. So this scholarship will be awarded based on the strength of each candidate, commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion, demonstrated leadership and academic performance. The program is open to students who meet all the minimum qualifications. All students who identify as a woman interested in computer science are strongly encouraged to apply. Who can apply? To be eligible to apply, applicant must be currently enrolled as a full-time second or third year undergraduate students at an accredited university in Asia Pacific region for 23 to 24 academic year. Intend to continue pursuing a full-time bachelor degree at an accredited university in Asia Pacific for 24-25 academic year. Be studying computer engineering or a closely related technical field and demonstrate a strong academic record, exemplify leadership and demonstrate passion for improving representation of underrepresented group in computer science and technology. So the application process, you will be asked to complete an application which include your general background information, your CV, your academic transcript, and your responses to short essay question. So that's a question or tell me about a time when you face a complex problem without a clear path to a solution. The second question is from your personal experience. Describe a barrier that prevents equitable access to a field of technology. So the application deadline is 23rd April 2024 or when 1250 eligible application responses are received, the application will automatically close. So you can check more information about this program. So I'm going to apply for this program. You simply click on apply now. Firstly, you have to create your account by putting your email address and first name, last name, then continue it. As I already registered myself, I'm going to log in my account. I have to put my email and password here, then click on login. So start a new application, create an application. Click on open application. So the application deadline is 23rd April 2024. Save and continue it. First, your eligibility. I am applying for Generation Google Scholarship for Women in Computer Science in Asia Pacific region. Yes, I'm currently enrolled. Then save and continue it. So this is only for women, and after that after eligibility you have to complete your personal and contact information, your demographic information, your educational information, your relevant activities, your essay answer, your reference, your signature, and then after that view and submit your application form for this Google Generation Scholarship Program. So my dear friends, yeah, in order to complete your application form you have to complete all this data information very carefully. So, avail this opportunity if you are eligible for this program and you want to apply for this Generation Google Scholarship Program, and also share this amazing opportunity with your other colleagues. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.